Hey guys, so I'm at a wedding. I'm in Kleinberg and I'm here invited to a wedding. So anyway, so I'm here and that's my brother's girlfriend Magda, my friend Magda. And it should be good. It should be beautiful and I really can't wait. And it's a golf course, so it was originally supposed to be outdoor. I'm not sure now if it's still going to be outdoor, but because the weather's not that great. So my brother's handing out flowers. Bouquets, petals, handing out rose petals. Yeah. No, the view is beautiful. Okay, the ceremony will have the exchange of arras, which is a Spanish tradition, and the breaking of the glass, which is a Jewish tradition, because this is a Spanish-Jewish wedding. So much fun. And this is the other side. Super cute.
In Spanish tradition, as I count out the 13 coins and place them in Ryan's hands, each of these coins represent a value that to share between themselves in marriage: love, harmony, cooperation, commitment, peace, happiness, trust, respect, caring, wisdom, joy, wholeness, and nurturing. May these coins be a symbol of your love, fidelity, and trust for each other. To be husband and wife.
I ate all the vegetables and stuff, but this is the steak. Anyway, I cut it in half so you could see how it's cooked. And for example, my father ordered the halibut, and my mother is vegetarian.